ready to diversify your portfolio and add a touch of gold. Let's explore how to invest in gold ETFs directly through the Groww app. First, open the Groww app on your smartphone. At the top of the screen, you'll find a search bar. Tap on it. Now, type Gold ETF in the search bar. A list of available gold ETFs will appear. Browse through the options and select the gold ETF you want to invest in. For this example, we will choose Nippon India Gold ETF. You are now on the ETF's detailed page. Here, you can see the current price, historical performance, and other relevant information. Take some time to review this. Once you are ready, tap on the Buy button located at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to the order entry screen. Here, you can either enter the number of units you want to purchase in the quantity box or directly enter the amount you want to invest in the amount box. After entering the quantity or amount, carefully review your order details to ensure everything is correct. Then, tap on the Review by Order button. A final confirmation screen will appear displaying all the details of your order. If everything looks good, simply tap the Buy button to place your order. Congratulations, your order has been placed successfully. You have now invested in a gold ETF through the Groww app. Remember to do your research and understand the risks involved before investing. Happy investing!